YouTube discovery ads. When should you use them? How do they work? And what step of the funnel should you incorporate them into your marketing? That's what we're going to be covering on this video. I get this question a lot. Now, those of you who don't know, there is two main types of YouTube ads that you see out there. There's in-stream ads, which are the ads that appear in front of another video on YouTube. Those are kind of the classic kind of YouTube ads that are more conversion-centric. They appear in front of other videos. But then there's also something called YouTube discovery ads. Now, those are ads that appear alongside other videos, or they appear in your search results. Now, those ads simulate more of a natural feeling of naturally finding and discovering a video. And in this video, we're going to talk about exactly how those work, when you should set them up, and what step of your marketing funnel you should incorporate YouTube discovery ads into versus the classic in-stream ads. And it might not be the step that you think. So we're going to dive into that right now. We'll walk you through discovery ads, the step of the funnel to use, and exactly how we recommend setting them up. Let's dive in right now. Satya asks, in what stage of the funnel are YouTube discovery ads best? That's a great question. I love it. Sorry, I've just been talking a lot. For those discovery ads is usually later on in the funnel. Now, this may depend on the individual business, but we've got a client that is and actually we have obviously a lot of clients who are doing this, but one in particular in the real estate investment coaching space. And we also have, obviously a variety of other people too, but he specifically has had a lot of podcast interviews. Also, I have had a lot of podcast interviews. So I've done this myself as well, where I am actually able to take those podcast interviews that I've done and value videos and content videos that I have done in the past on video, upload those to my YouTube channel and run those as discovery ads, as hot retargeting ads and warm retargeting ads to people that have opted into my webinar, opted into my email list, watched my webinar, people who have viewed our apply page, even just people who have viewed our website, targeting all of those people with discovery ads. And if you guys aren't familiar with discovery ads, those are the ads that appear either in search results or alongside other videos as recommended videos on the homepage as recommended videos. Those are videos that pop up and it feels like you naturally found it. So imagine this. Imagine somebody, actually opts into your funnel. They watch your webinar, but they don't book a call. Maybe they get distracted or they haven't just quite gotten pushed over the edge yet. Then they go on YouTube and they see a video that's like, and I'll just use myself as an example, YouTube ads podcast with Aleric. They're like, oh, I remember that guy. I was just on his webinar. And they click on the link, but they don't see this. They have a little ad, and maybe they do see it. It says ad right in the corner, but it's kind of small. And so they click on it, and now all of a sudden they go to the YouTube watch page, and now they're watching a whole video podcast of me talking about YouTube ads. It's just additional, branding and getting in front of people and exposure. But that doesn't work as well top of funnel because, and except in some very specific cases, right? Some people use it. So there's a couple Amazon clients that we have that teach Amazon and building Amazon courses, stuff like that are running top of funnel. But in general, we don't recommend doing that top of funnel because you can't get people into your funnel right that way. Or you can, but not as many people do. You can't necessarily optimize for conversion. But once you already have a conversion and they are in your hot retargeting list, you could just get in front of them again and again with all of the different content you produce as a discovery ad. That's really powerful. I hope you found this video valuable. If you guys want to learn more about YouTube ads for your own business, check out all the links down below. We have a link to our YouTube ads webinar where we dive into exactly how YouTube ads work for your business. We also have a version of our webinar specifically for coaches, consultants, course creators that shows you how to build an infinite pipeline of high ticket clients. So just choose the webinar that works best for you. And if you are ready to schedule a call with our team to walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can be implemented into your own business, you can go to adoutreach.com/apply. The link's right down there in the description to schedule a call with our advising team to learn a little bit more about your business, your current marketing, walk you through YouTube ads, see if that's a good fit. And if it is a good fit, we'll map out exactly what that can look like in your business. Also down below, we have links to some case studies, testimonials. So take a look at that below as well. Feel free to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever we have a new video on YouTube ads and marketing. And also join our Facebook group below as well so that you can actually get access to free trainings, content, and resources. It's another great hub for you to access everything YouTube ads. So thank you for watching. All the links will be right down there in the description. and I'll see you guys next time.